No, that sounded like shit too. Alright, so it's Friday the 3rd. Fuck. Alright. It's Friday the 17th. 72 degrees. Headed into work. Big weekend plan. Despite of everything shutting down. Oh man. Earlier I saw they're starting to rebook some stuff for 2021. So July 2021, if you got a hard on for kicks, I don't know why you would, but they're going to be playing at the All-Star July something or another. I don't know. Go to Facebook. Find everything on Facebook. Fuck out of here. Oh, here we go again. Alright. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And what the fuck's it gonna be today? Nothing. Huh. Right on. Smells fishy. Something. I don't know, man. River must be getting down there. Yeah, it is. A little more than a trickle.